how to connect your Discord account to a new connection on Discord, of course. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. It's very easy. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step is go into Discord, then open it, and after this guys, when Discord is opening, you will find here home. You will just go down and go to this option on your profile and open it. Then guys, you will go just to connection option here. Then you will click. After this, you will go to here, add. And now for example, I will add my PayPal account, or I don't know, like uh, TikTok, for example. I will just click on TikTok, and then it will told me to use my TikTok account here. I will just click to use my email and my username, my account, to connect with my Discord account. And that's it guys. I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you now.